Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a mukbang for y'all. I got my Subway here and I am going to share what not to do. Don't do what I did. If you want to know what I did, keep on watching. Okay, that's enough of that because I don't want no copyright strikes. So today I'm going to do a mukbang, and I said that I would never do a mukbang again, but I always seem to do mukbangs on my lunch when I get a long lunch. So today I got a longer than normal lunch, but I still got to keep it quick because I only got about 30 minutes left. But I am going to do a Subway mukbang, and just speak to y'all real quick because I haven't done a mukbang. A mukbang was like one of the first freaking videos that I did on my channel, like when I first started my channel. So you can go back and check it out. I think I was eating Charlie's and I was like, I would never again do this because who wants to watch people eat with food in their mouth while they're talking? Apparently it's a thing and people like it. Welcome to my life as I live it. I'm Army Princess, the mother, wife, and soldier, and I want to share this journey with you. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss a moment of it. So this whole week I'm in training. Well, I'm not in training. I'm giving training. So I'm outside of the pharmacy. It's kind of cool because I get to get out of the pharmacy and hang out and stuff. But it's hot, y'all. It says that it's 87, but it feels like 97. So I gotta sweated all my makeup off. I've been dabbing with a paper towel. I'm sitting in the AC now, so I hope it's not loud. Let me tell y'all what I got. I don't normally get these chips from Subway, but I went to a different Subway on Post, and they had these little bitty bags, and I'm mad because I paid $1.19 for this little bitty bag. And I got the club. So the only two sandwiches that I ever get from Subway is a club or a tuna sandwich. The tuna melt. But I like the club because it has roast beef, turkey, and ham. And then I put green peppers, spinach, onions, olives, and sweet onion sauce. That's what I like on mine. I wanted something kind of fast and kind of light. Like, I just can't do all of them. Because we have, like, I think, not Burger King. We have Charlie's, Popeyes, Taco Bell, Subway, Boston Market, and Arby's in our main food court. But I don't really eat too much fried stuff, so I usually go to, like, Charlie's, Subway. Every now and then I'll get Taco Bell if I got a taste for Mexican pizza. Okay, so what I wanted to talk to y'all about was my rank and what not to do, kind of, I guess, or why. So this is like a story time because I've been asked to do story times. So it's like a story time mukbang all in one. But I just wanted to share with people because I had a lot of people, not a lot, but a few. You know, you're gonna have them smart asses in your comments. Like, oh, she been in 10 years and she only eat 5. Did she get in trouble? No, I didn't get in trouble. This is so good. So let me start from the beginning. So originally when I came in the military, I signed a contract for 5 years. And at the time I was single, wasn't married, didn't have any kids, didn't have a boyfriend. Well, I had a boyfriend, but it was my boyfriend from back home. But anyway, my plan was to join the military because I was bored, get away from home, get my degree, and get out. Like, I had no plans on staying 20 years in the military. It just wasn't something that I even thought about. Like, I was like, okay, this is cool. I can do this for, you know, a few years, 5 years, and then get out. So, my first duty station was Japan. And I went to Japan and had the time of my life. But while I was there, I was focused on my degree because I had a lot of time at work to go to school. Like, literally, our hours was like 7:30 to 4 or something like that. I didn't have to be to work till 9 because we did PT in the morning. And when I got done with PT, I went to work about 9 o'clock. And it was slow in the pharmacy. So, like, at lunchtime, I would use my lunchtime to do online classes. Like, that's what I did. So, for anybody that's in the military, and I know y'all, most of y'all get an hour and a half lunch, you should be doing something constructive on your lunch. Correspondence courses, online school, whatever. Whatever to progress in your career. But anyway, so I went to school during my lunch and like during the day. So when I got out of work, I could chill. I could go to the gym, hang out, go shop, and do what I wanted to do on my time. But anyway, so I focused on my degree because I said I wanted to get my degree when I came in. I was in school and I withdrew from school to join the military. So I was like in the middle of the semester. I withdrew in that January when school, you know, the next semester would have started back. I went away to the military. So since I withdrew, I still wanted to get my degree. My goal was to have my degree. So my goal during my time that I was in the military in the first, 4 years was to get my degree. So that's what I focused on. I didn't focus on promotion. I didn't go to any promotion boards. I wasn't studying for the board. I didn't do any correspondence courses. Correspondence courses are online school about military stuff. And you take these online classes and it gives you points. So if you do so many online classes, then you get points towards promotion. So I wasn't doing any of that. Like, people was knocking out their correspondence courses, like going to the range and, doing APT to try to get all these points because you have to get points towards promotion. I didn't do nothing. I was like, I came here for my degree and that's what I'm going to focus on. I don't want to go to the board right now because I'm studying, I'm in college and I can't study for my classes and the board. So I didn't do any of that. And I knocked out my degree within the first 4 years of me being in the military. But the thing was, in my 5th year, it was either you gonna stay in or you gonna get out because your contract is about to, it's about to expire. It's about to be up. So my 5th year, I ended up re-enlisted. I was already in Germany at the time, and I re-enlisted for more time to go back to the States with my husband. And at that point, I had no correspondence courses. I hadn't been to the board. Say all that to say that I started late. I started way behind the power curve. Although I have my degree and I knocked that out within the first 4 years, I'm now at year 11 and I'm behind the power curve. So it's basically like I'm only 5 years in, if that makes any sense, because I didn't really start towards promotion until year 5. Now, you get automatically promoted from E1 through E4. Just based on your time in the military. After so many years, you automatically get promoted. Once you get to E4, which I left Japan as an E4, then it's on you towards getting promoted to E5, and it's a little bit harder to get promoted to E5. And so I made it to E4 because the Army was going to automatically promote me to E4. And when it was time to make E5, I had to work my butt off. Like, I got promoted to E5 in like 2 years. That's doing correspondence courses, bringing up my PT score. I went to the Soldier of the Month board, won that. I went to the Soldier of the Quarter board, I won that. And then I went to the NCO, the promotion board, to get promoted. You stand in front of a board, you answer all these questions. They assess like how well you know the questions, how your presence is in front of them. Are you nervous? Are you, shaking? Are you doing all this crazy stuff? So I got to go at the board. I did really well at the board. So I got my promotable status, and then shortly after I made E5, and then once I made E5, I went to the Soldier of the Month board again as E5, and Soldier of the Quarter board as E5. So I did all these things, but I just did them late. And I wish I wouldn't have had that mentality, and that's why I want to make this video and put it out to everybody. Never have the once you join the military, don't have the mentality that you're getting out in 1 year or 2 years or 5 years or whenever your contract is up. You may have all intentions of doing that, but if you think like that, you'll be behind the power curve like me. So, once I met my husband, he instilled into me, because he fast tracked. He won Soldier of the Year as a E3. So he fast tracked. He did all the right things. But he comes from, both of his parents are retired military. So he knew, he knew the ropes. He had kind of like the inside scoop. But he's like, you should never live your career as though you getting out at the end of your contract, because you never know what can happen. Like I said, I had all intentions on doing 5 years and getting up out the military. You never know what happened. For whatever reason, you re-enlist, you get married, you have kids. It happens to a lot of people. You get married, or you end up having a baby. Even if you the male, your wife have a baby, and now you like, I need to stay in a little bit longer. I need to keep getting these coins. And in the course of a year, your whole life can change, and you can be like, well, now I'm going to stay in. But if you ain't done none of the work for promotion, you're going to be behind the power curve like me. So I always say that I do these videos because I want to share my experiences with you all, because I don't want y'all to make the same mistakes I did. If somebody would have told me when I first got to my first duty station, like, hey, Private Wilson, I know you say you want to do your college and get your degree, but you should still be studying for the board. You never know what could happen. Even if you do get out, you'll still be, one step closer or more knowledgeable or whatever. Say you do get out as a specialist or as a sergeant. Now you can write that on your resumes that you got out as a sergeant rather than getting out as an E1 or E2. I just wanted to leave that with y'all and put this out there, because people really be low-key coming for me in the comment section like, damn, she been in 10 years and she only E5? Well, yeah, I've been in 10, 11 years, but I only really been going towards promotion like the last 5 years. And I've been E5 since 2013 now. But it's really, really hard. Depending on your MOS and the job you pick, it's really hard to get promoted sometimes, because, like I said, everything is based off points. And you got to work your butt off to make enough points to get promoted to the next rank. And right now, my cutoff is 798. So I have to have 798 points to get promoted to E6. I only got like 570, 90 between there. So I gotta keep working. Keep on working, never give up. Keep living like you're gonna do 20 years. Because I can be like, technically I only got another 3 years left in my contract. I can be like, well, I'm gonna get out in 3 years, so it don't matter. And then something might happen. Like right now, I got another baby coming. I can't afford to get out. I'm doing 20. So since I'm doing 20, I might as well get promoted and get paid as the next step higher. So I just want to leave that with y'all. Once you join, I'm not going to say fast track. I don't tell people to fast track, because fast tracking is not for everybody. Fast tracking is getting in and knocking them boards out, knocking them points out, and getting promoted. But sometimes you need the experience first. You need to be at a certain rank for a while to learn that rank, learn your job before you move up. Because the more you move up, the more responsibility you have. And you don't want to have too much responsibility too fast, and you like in charge of a bunch of stuff and a bunch of people that don't know what you doing. So within time, you know what I mean, move up, but don't be like me and I'm like 5 years behind. Do it strategically, but do it. Don't not do it like I did. I'm about to finish my salad. I ain't even started on my chips. And I hope y'all enjoyed this. Let me know if you like these mukbangs. I might do some more Storytime mukbangs for y'all if y'all enjoy it. Because like I said, I'm being trained all week. So every day, I can do, you know, some videos like this. So let me know what you want to hear in a mukbang, because it's easy for me to just sit down and eat and record and talk to y'all. So let me know what you want to see, and I will knock some out for y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.